Hello everyone, my name is Julie James and this is my video for informatics. Um, want to try and be careful that I make sure I post the right one in the right class since there's two classes this time. So I'm just going to go through and answer the questions. What do I hope to gain from informatics? Well, as I learned through doing the readings this week, there's a lot of stuff that I didn't realize that I didn't know as far as informatics. So I'm really just looking forward to getting to know about all the different aspects of informatics and being able to understand it and apply it in my clinical practice and share it with those that I work with. And then when I graduate and become an educator, I feel like it'll help me be a better educator and be better able to teach those either in the clinical situation or in the classroom. Um, Time expectation. Excuse me, allergies. I think that this class is the one that's supposed to be an hour credit. Um, I don't know. I have to say I'm a little bit overwhelmed between looking at the statistics and the informatics class, thinking there's a whole lot of assignments to do this 8 weeks. So we'll see. Um, so yeah, I don't really know what the time expectation is, except that I know I gotta use whatever time it takes to get the work done, so that's what I'm gonna do. Assets I have to bring to the class. Um, I don't really know. I don't have a lot of experience with informatics. I've already had the teaching and technology class with, uh, yes, I can't even think of her name now, Professor Tina. Anyway, and I feel like I learned a lot of information about the technologies that are available, but as far as differentiating that from the informatics, that's going to take me a little while to have a better understanding of that. And um, I guess assets is just that I'm willing to learn and I'm willing to put in the work to figure it out. And I ask lots of questions if I have questions. So that's me. Challenges will be the time. I'm busy mom. I work full time, and there's the Rona making everybody's life miserable. So we got that going on. Not that I'm alone in that, but that's going to be my biggest challenge is just figuring out how to balance everything. But we'll get it done. So I look forward to learning from you all and working with you, and I will see you.